My mom once told me something that was very interesting, profound. She told me, Pius, you'll never know what it means to be poor until the day you'll not know where your next meal will come from. And that day surely came. My dad lost his job, and suddenly, from a family that was very comfortable, we could not afford to put a meal on the table. We were surviving day by day, and we could not pay for our rent, and landlords were knocking on our doors every end of the month, and it was a very anxious moment as a family, and many other challenges that we went through. And the lesson that I learned from this experience that I really want to share with everybody is that every individual requires to have or must have at least 4 kinds of portfolios. And today I will begin a series that will be talking about these kinds of portfolios. In today's video, I will start with a portfolio that I call the lifestyle portfolio. My name is Pius Mugo. I'm the Managing Director of Nabo Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa. So what is a lifestyle portfolio? Every day you wake up in the morning and you go to work. And I like asking people this question: why do you go to work? And the common answer that I get is to gain financial freedom, which is quite elusive. A lot of people really never achieve true financial freedom. A lifestyle portfolio at Nabo Capital is what we discovered is the first step in winning your race to gaining financial freedom. And a lifestyle portfolio, in a lifestyle portfolio, you need to ask yourself 2 difficult questions. What if my job suddenly came to an end? Or what if my business failed? How will my family survive without it? And therefore, to build a lifestyle portfolio, we normally ask the question, how much do you spend in a month for basic essentials, food, shelter, clothing, and anything else that you must have for you to survive as a family? Nobody wants their family to go below a certain level of lifestyle that they are currently used. So if you spend, for example, 100,000 shillings in a month, then the next question we ask ourselves, how do we help you to build a portfolio that will give you 100,000 shillings in a month? And the moment we are able to put that portfolio together, which will work together with you, then you achieve what you call a lifestyle portfolio. A lifestyle portfolio is a must-have. Everybody must have a lifestyle portfolio. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you to know the first step in gaining, the first step that you must take to gain true financial freedom. If you want to engage us, please come to our offices at International House, 5th floor, and we'll be more than happy to sit down with you, with our investment professionals, to lay down a plan that will help you to build your first lifestyle portfolio. In my next video, I will be unveiling the second type of portfolio that everybody must have to finally gain true financial freedom. My name is Pius Mugo. I'm the Managing Director of Nabo Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa.